Hey foodies, fall is here and we're going to start with this perfect pumpkin spice loaf recipe. So right now I'm going to start with my butter. Melt that down to make brown butter. And I'm just going to keep whisking it, stir, stir. That's going to develop those brown bits that have a lot of flavor. See it's starting to change color, a little bit past the stage. All right, that's looking perfect. I'm going to shut that off. Add a very small piece of ginger in there. Also, I'm going to zest an orange. Half an orange is going to go in there. All right, I'm going to take my brown butter that's been cooling down, and I'm going to strain that. And I'm also going to cook down some of the pumpkin puree I have here. It's going to help with consistency, and it's actually going to make this more flavorful. You're just going to cook that down, making sure not to scorch the bottom. I'm going to transfer that, let that cool down. So we're going to start with the dry ingredients. I'm going to incorporate that and sift it. All-purpose flour, brown sugar, baking soda, some baking powder, salt, and pumpkin pie spice. You can't find it in a store. You can make your own blend with cinnamon, cardamom, star anise. Now I'm going to sift it through. Mix all the dry ingredients together. Now I'm going to make a little bit of a well so we can start incorporating the wet ingredients. First I'm going to go in with the milk, 2 egg yolks. I'm going to mix that up. Now I'm going to add my pumpkin spice puree, mix that together, and then start to incorporate the dry ingredients. Fold in the dry ingredients. All right, just as it comes together like this. Now I'm going to start adding brown butter I had before. As I'm mixing it, we're doing half olive oil, half brown butter to this mixture. So we have tablespoons of olive oil in here, and 6. There we go. A little bit at a time. Give that a quick stir. Rest of it right in there. There, we're looking good. Okay, so now I'm going to prepare my loaf pan. I'm going to spray it down on all sides. Add some all-purpose flour in there. Coat it on all sides. Good. I'm going to dump that out onto here. Now I'm going to add my batter. Get all this extra. Tap it out. Now we're going to get this in our oven. It's going in at 375 degrees for about 45 minutes to an hour. The pumpkin loaf smells ready, so we're going to check on it right now. Look at that. Beautiful color. Nice and golden. Spiced pumpkin loaf is ready. I'm going to take it out of the container now. I'm going to slice it. Alright, before we slice it, I have this marshmallow frosting that I'm going to put on top. Just finish mixing this together. Now I'm going to pour it on my cake. You just want a light coating on the top. Alright, look at this beautiful glaze. Now we're going to slice into it. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Alright, I'm going to cut into the end. Pour myself a cup. Now I'm going to try a piece of this. So before I do, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I can't wait to dig in. That is incredible. There's so much flavors going on in my mouth. I taste cinnamon. I taste the pumpkin spice. I taste the essence. I taste the earthiness. Really well balanced. This is a perfect holiday dessert. So I'm going to try it with my tea now. I'm going to dip it in. Let's go. Every bite gets better and better. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see another dessert video, check out my key lime pie recipe at the end of this. I reinvented, so check it out.